What are the benefits of aluminum windows? One of the main reasons homeowners decide to go with aluminum is affordability. We're not talking cheap as in a sense they're poor quality, but instead they're a great value. You can install excellent windows at reasonable prices. Another thing is they are customizable in every way possible to fit your home. When we talk with homeowners, one of the main factors they're considering is the aesthetics of the windows. How will they look on the home? After all, curb appeal can make your home stand out in the neighborhood, so it's no wonder that they want windows with plenty of options, and aluminum delivers on customization. They're also very durable, withstanding high winds, rain, and even hail without denting or breaking. So if you live in an area that experiences severe weather conditions, aluminum windows are a great option to keep your home protected. However, if you live near the coast, they may not be the best option, as they could be susceptible to corrosion brought on by saltwater. In this case, vinyl windows may be a more viable option for you. Lastly, aluminum windows are very energy efficient, and with energy costs soaring around the country, this is a big deal. The windows have a high insulation value, and they're also unlikely to let moisture in, which can help make your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, and in turn causing your HVAC system to not have to work as hard to keep you comfortable. If you would like to get a free estimate on getting your windows replaced, give us a call or text today at 210-461-2066 to set up your free estimate.